you feeling this morning, my dear?
I'm still feeling weak. I'm a little feverish.
Oh, you'll be alright. That's how the medicine works. So get up. And take something small for mommy.
Oh, what's that?
Porridge. I put ginger, pepper, a suruwisa, a fomwisa. Take it, it's very hot. Get some. Take it and sweat. Sweat the sickness out. Come. Up, baby. Let me feed my baby. You'll be alright, you'll be alright. Have you seen your father around?
No, I went out a while ago. Have you checked the kitchen at this time of the day? That's the obvious place you'll be.
Hey, Kofi Simpson, moving up and down, but doing nothing better.
Meme. There you go.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling better.
See Mimi drinking cocoa. No conflicts.
I can't even drink the cocoa.
Oh.
Who is at the gate?
The gate? I don't know. Are you expecting any visitor?
Me?
Yeah.
Not at all.
Not of your girls.
My boys. Go and check who is there.
Let me go see. When I go in front of your boys, see.
I won't go there.
I said it.
Hello. Someone.
Please, is Mr. Simpson around?
May I know who you are?
I'm Erica, his niece. I relocated about a month ago and he asked me to drop by anytime I was free.
His niece?
Yes.
I see. He's not at home at the moment and I don't know when he's coming back.
Please, will it be okay if I wait for him?
Hello, Kofi. Kofi Simpson, where in the country are you? There's a woman looking for you. She says her name is Erica, and you are supposed to be her uncle.
What? My niece? Where did that come from?
Stop whatever you are doing and come.
Okay, I'm coming.
Okay.
Hello. Yes, I'm at the place. I've been calling your line, but it wasn't going through. No, my dear. I'm told he's gone out, but I'm waiting for him. Don't worry, I'll wait till he comes. I'll call you.
Sorry for leaving you all alone.
No, that's okay.
I've called him. He said he's coming.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much, madam. It must be Auntie Grace.
Yeah.
Mimi and Jojo, where are they? I've seen their pictures on his phone.
Really?
Yeah.
So, whose daughter are you?
Well, my mom is...
I mean, which of his sisters is your mom?
Well, actually, my mom is a cousin of his.
Oh.
Yeah, she spent most of her life outside this country.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Handsome boy. What's his name?
It's Derek.
Derek? How are you? Hey, let me give you Fanta, okay? Will you drink Fanta? Okay, I'll bring you Fanta. Okay.
This is your father's house. Papa need for good. Is she ane? No beni bieda. Don't talk about she ane. Ukumkonya shubu yebi. Oh no. Don't talk about she ane. Oh no.
Who was it? What is it?
Relax. Apparently, we have a cousin we don't know about.
You don't say.
I'm serious. The visitor says Kofi Simpson is her uncle.
Is she cute?
Look, I didn't really get to see her face, but I'm sure she's not sweet as my sister.
She does.
Oh, baby. Dad is calling.
What does he want?
I wonder. Hello? Yes? We're at the gate. Why don't you come inside? Okay, I'm coming.
Well?
Your daddy's at the gate. But then he wants me to come and meet him. And he even asked whether there's a visitor in the house.
Why can't he just walk in?
I wonder. Let me go and see you coming. Goodbye.
Hurry up.
Alright.
Who really is this girl? Kofi has never told me about a cousin outside the country. I hope she's who she said she is. Uh-huh.
What are you doing here?
Yeah, nothing. I had to see a friend somewhere. But I needed you to help me give this one to your sister, the medicine. And how does she look? Who? The visitor.
Oh, she's normal. She came here with a small boy and she was talking plates.
A boy? You give it to your sister. Okay, I'm coming. Hello? Oh, I'm at the gate. I'm coming. I'm at the gate. Don't worry, I'm coming.
Hey, he's here.
How are you? Yes, I'm here. How are you? What's the name, baby? Grace, can you please get me a glass of water? I'm so thirsty. What are you doing here?
To see you, of course. You won't pick my calls or anything.
Why do you have to pick up your call? And how did you get to know where I sleep?
Kofi Simpson, stop pretending. I'm not here to play games.
So what are you here for?
To do something I should have done 3 years ago.
And what is that?
To bring my son to his father.
Your son?
Kofi Simpson.
Yeah.
Meet Derek, our son. You see the handsome boy we made? Look at him.
That is my son?
Yeah.
What? No. She's just joking.
I'm not joking. He's the father of my son.
Wait. You have a son with your niece?
No, she's not my niece. We just met for a brief moment.
It wasn't for a brief moment. We had an affair. He told me he loves me and that he will marry me.
Shut up! How dare you talk to my wife?
How dare you do this to me, Kofi? How dare you? And you, this woman, Jezebel like you came to my house. You're not afraid of me. You walked into my house and tell me what? You, eh?
Let me explain.
Explain what? You think I'm bull, eh? Look at you. You are not even worth it.
Let me explain. Grace, you see what you caused? You want to break my house. I will break your heart. I'll break your leg.
No, I'm malefolo. Hey.
Mimi, what are you doing? Get up. Get up.
What is this?
You have no idea. Your father has another child with a visitor. Now you sit down. Now sit down.
Daddy has another child.
Daddy has another child with a visitor.
With his niece?
No. Far from that, Mimi. Far from that. They're not related at all. She lied. They're so not related. She just dropped the bombshell.
So, where's Daddy?
Outside, explaining himself as usual.
Where's the boy? Where's Mommy?
Mommy should be in her room and the child should be on the porch now. Why won't me? Lie down.
To go talk to Mom, of course. You think this whole thing is funny, don't you? Let me explain what your small brain is refusing to understand. This family is about to go through another hurricane, and you think it's funny? You think it's funny, huh?
Grace, trust me, I'm telling you the truth. I'm not the father of that boy.
Did you sleep with her or not?
I went for a party and I met her. I got drunk. In fact, I don't even remember what happened that night.
Listen to yourself. Just listen to yourself.
Daddy, is it true?
My dear, it's not true. I'm not the father of that boy.
If you are not the father of that child, why would she bring him to you after 3 good years? Eh? You sit there and lie to your daughter.
I swear, I'm not lying. She's the one lying. Girl, look at all what has happened to me and my family. I mean, I didn't do anything to. Grace, where are you going? Let's talk about this. She's lying. Grace.
This is your father's house, so feel free and play, okay? Come on, Pashiane. Come on, Bonnie Bieda. Feel free. Try it. Come on. Come
Hey,
on.
Madam.
Catch.
Madam, please don't you think it's about time you left?
Don't look at me like that. I'm the victim here. When you're boom.
This is nice.
I know.
My dear, you should have seen the way this guy was talking.
Really? Why does he think he's the only man you've ever met in your life?
So full of himself. Obnoxious.
Ouch.
Hey, Grace! That's where? What is the matter? Kofi Simpson has done his worst this time around. He has finally proven that he's an irresponsible man.
Grace, take it easy. He's your husband. You should watch your choice of words.
What is the matter here, Grace?
a lady walks into my house with a small boy and claims my husband is the father of her son.
Andrews, what? Are you serious? But how could Kofi Simpson do this?
Bisebiom, Adole, Bisebiom, how could he do such a thing?
Eh? And so what is he saying about all this? Have you confronted him?
He stood there claiming the girl is lying and that he only met her for a brief moment. And even that night, he was so drunk that he doesn't even remember what happened. Wagadri man, Ragadam.
So, what are you going to do about it? Because this is serious.
Oh, that's why I'm here. I don't have an idea.
These men.
Oh. And then me. Oh, what's your name?
We met brief moment. Yes, it was Adole's party. We had a few drinks and
You're almost there, okay?
where am I?
Good morning, Prince Charming. You slept like a baby after we had a nice time.
I don't have any idea. Where am I?
In a hotel you booked last night.
Hey, where's my clothes?
I've given them to the laundry guys.
Did we do anything?
Of course. What else did we come here?
No, I'm dead. Don't hurt me. Oh, God. Hey. Oh.
Hi, Kofi.
Hello. Have you met before?
Come on. I'm Erica. We met a week ago at the party. I will spend the night together, remember?
Oh, so it was you. Sorry, I didn't take a close look at you.
I'll be calling you, but you don't pick your calls.
Madam, I'm so sorry. I'm a married man. I knew we spent the night together, but I don't think this thing can continue.
What?
Yes.
What are you telling me?
I'm sorry.
Kofi, but that... What? Eh! Obi Mufulu. Eh! Wabakwe. Okay.
That was it. She tried calling me several times, but I ignored her calls. And I don't know how she managed to ignore her house.
So, you don't remember doing anything with her?
Babe, I don't even understand why I'm having this conversation with you. It's your choice. I don't even remember.
Then it's possible he's your son.
And it's possible it's not my son. What do you want me to say again? You don't even trust me. Listen, let me go and sleep. You don't believe me?
Somebody enter Kolo. That's all. Make her enter Kolo.
Pass me the palm wine.
Somebody enter Kolo. See everybody. Make you hold somebody. Drink and jolly. Tell me how you feeling. Is it sexual healing? Or you feeling irate? This what we they do before we do the show. Make you move your body where the music they go.
Somebody enter Kolo.
And you never see.
Make her enter, make her go ahead. And if you know they feel my matter, Charlie, make you go away. I no get time where I just go on through way. So make a boss a lyric, we go enter into your head. Kumbaya, on more fire. And I'll make the beat just take you higher. VVIP ever inspire. And you know, say Nadine never expire.